So let's get on to changing our display image here. Okay, so what you're going to want to do is go to a new tab, and I want you to type in Pixabay. So go to that site there, Pixabay. Now, so what this site is a massive resource of just thousands, well actually I should say millions of royalty-free images. Well, what's royalty-free mean? Royalty-free means that there's no copyright on them, which is very important for your website. You don't want to be putting on images that you just take from anywhere and they're got copyright behind them, because you can be up for massive costs. So there's the sort of thing you have to be careful of when you're running a website or creating a website. Make sure that everything you have on there you have a license for. And luckily there's websites out there like this that offer just millions of free photos that they're not just average photos either. They're just incredible, really good photos that you can use completely free on your site with no hassle. So alright, so let's go through and let's find a really good image to use for our header. So if you want to have the same one that I've used, this is one I used anyway, is I just typed in aerial man, and then if you scroll down, there we go, there's a really there's a one that I found that we used for the top. Now you can get whatever picture you want to have there. Yeah, so this is just an example of what you can use, but you can go out there and you can find whatever you want to use. I just thought this was a really nice image to use, but you're welcome to use whatever you'd like. Find something that represents your business really. So you want to download this version here. We don't need the big giant 5,000 megapixels because it's going to be too much. Although it'll be nice, it's just too much for your site to handle, and it'll slow down the functionality. All that is needed is just an image like this. So you just hit download, and that'll download for us. So before we go any further, I just want to show you how amazing this really is. So if you just typed in mountain, and maybe you wanted to have a mountain for the top, you've got all these incredible images here that you could use for your site. There's endless. There is so much to choose from. Okay, so now that we've downloaded that image, what I want you to do is go back to here, and you're going to hit customize, and you'll be brought to this section. Now, this section here, we've already used it, but just a quick overview. Basically, this is where we can go through and we can fully customize everything about our site, and it updates it in real time, which is just awesome. And what's even better is it has this easy navigation. So you can simply select, just like if you click here, this is actually our image, our big image behind here. So if you hit that, it's going to take you straight to our image. It's in the background, so you can change this to whatever you like. So I'm going to go through, and you just hit upload a new file. So something really easy to do for uploading your file is you can actually grab this and then just drop the file in. Easy as that, and it'll upload for us. Take a little bit of time, and then awesome, so that image is now in. You just hit choose image. Now we just wait a little bit because it will update, and look at that, that is just, it's starting to look nice now. So the next thing I want us to do is let's go through and change our heading. So our heading text. So what you're going to do is hit this one here, and that's our title. So what did I had inspire here. But remember, you can have written whatever you like there. You could perhaps have welcome, or your name of your business, your website, just anything that you think will really draw people in. Then this part here, you can just type in whatever you'd like, and and it'll update it in real time. If you don't want anything there, simply leave it blank and it'll remove it for you like that. So that's really cool about it. And then we've got our call to action here. So you can change this to whatever you'd like. So perhaps you want to just have it as, I think a good one is find out more. So people click that and you could direct them to whatever page you like. So maybe you wanted it to go to your contact section, I'm not sure. You could simply just hit, I would go open link in new tab, and we're just gonna copy that across. That's our URL, and then you could hit that there, and now when people click that, I could try it out now. When people click that, it takes them to the contact form, and you can have that as whatever you like. So don't worry, I'm going to show you how to make this contact form look a little bit nicer. But yeah, that's just a really good way. You can have it linked to your about section, anything really that you'd like to have people linked to. So once that's done, just simply hit publish, and you're good to go. Okay. So the next thing we're going to be moving on to is, let's go on to actually how you can put whatever logo you would like to have here.